Hey guys, just wanted to show you guys something that we've been working on the 6420 here. Starting last year when we would be using it, when you start it up it would be fine and it would show you like your speed and it would be shifting like normal. But after you were using it for a while and it would be working and all heated up, or warmed up, then it would quit showing the miles per hour on the dash and it would start shifting funny. It would like be real jerky, like when you would shift it and stuff. So you're able to on this tractor, like you can go through on the dash, like it'll show you codes and stuff, and then I was able to find it in the manual that it had like a speed sensor problem, and we were able to narrow it down to that. A couple days ago then we took off the old speed sensor, and it's located directly down here. You can see like those oil lines on the right side of the screen. Anyways, it's just to the left of that. It's kind of hidden under that wiring harness. It was like a tight fit, but we were able to get it out. And to help get it out, we took off the cover. There's like a big cover that sticks out covering all the electronics right here. Anyways, we took that off to free up some space to get down there. And we were able to get the old sensor out, and then we were able to get a new sensor, and this is it right here. There's the part number. This is what it looks like. Here's the old one. You can see the part number right there. And it's like a new part number now, but you can see like the magnet. And you can see the new one. Here's another look at the two different sensors. They're the same harness setup, same ends. One thing we found to help get them off is that they fit into a 1.25 inch socket. It's a little loose. I think it's probably like a metric size would be the correct one, but we don't have any metric sockets that big. Once we get it started in there, then we'll just I think just screw it in, just hanging on to this so it's like a better grip. And then to finish tightening it, then we got the universal joint on the ratchet. Takes a few extensions because it's pretty far down there, but it should fit down okay. Let's see if we can get it started. It's a lot of feeling to figure out where you are. Okay, well, I got it started and you've seen all the threads, so it's a lot of finger turning right now. Okay, so you can see the socket down there and the universal joint on the socket. I got it finger tightened as hard as I can, and I want to be careful because it has plastic threads, but all I can do is just touch it with my fingertips, so I just want to put on a tiny little bit with the wrench just to make sure it's snug. Okay, so I just put the slightest of added torque on that. Now we'll put these back on, or this cover back on, and then just start it up and see if it works. Now we'll just put this cover back on. That's just 4 bolts. An Allen key. And then we'll try starting her up. Reading something. Yeah, I guess just reading about it and looking stuff up about changing it. Another thing you can do would be to tip the cab, but I guess like that would be a lot of extra work. If you're able to reach your hand in there, that seems to be the best way. Another thing with tipping the cab is that that's right where the hinge point is on the right side of the cab, and the sensor's on the right side. So you'd have to tip it pretty far before it would make much of a difference, I think. As you can see, it's pretty muddy out there. It'll be a while before we're doing any planting. I read on another online forum that you can access that sensor from the right side, from behind the tire. You can pull the tire out and then access it that way. But I don't know, I think that if you're able to reach it from the back, like we did, that doesn't seem that bad to do it that way. Okay, hope this helps somebody.